Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro Mode looks on the ROG Phone 6D. So first of all, we have to go for the More modes and then tap on the Pro Mode, and here we are. As you can see, we can find a lot of parameters at the bottom. So I'm gonna show you basically how you can adjust them. So most of them you can manage manually and automatically, and that's the only one parameter, and that's the exposure compensation that we can only adjust manually. So let's start from the focus. Next, let's switch to the shutter. Here we can find ISO. And the last, it's the white balance. When you go to the right upper corner, we can change the aspect ratio. When you click right here, we are able to set the interval shots. So basically, we can take 10 photos for each second. I mean, there will be just 10 seconds and 10 photos. That's what I mean. Sorry for my English, it's not perfect. But that's how this feature works. Actually, it's really good. And it's actually really rare on the phones. You can find it on the Xiaomi, but in the other phones it's not available. So here on the ROG Phone and the Xiaomi you can use this. That's a very cool option actually. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.